Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me this afternoon wanting to know if you could clone something to another page, a separate page. One, I don't really know reason why you would, but there might be a reason. And so you kind of can and you kind of cannot. You cannot clone and then cut and paste it in there. But what you can do, I've got a square. I'm going to go up to edit and clone it. Then I'm going to move the clone out of the way. I'm going to go down here and build a new page, page 2. Everything off your page always stays there. I'm going to move our new clone back to the center of the page, so now they're exactly the same. I'm going to take my new clone and I'm going to fill it with black. I'm going to look at page 2 and now my cloned item is black. Now the only thing I don't think you can copy this and then paste it and put it on a new page. Then let's just see, we're back to page 1. We'll take away the fill this time, and see it does not take away the fill on the copy, but it does on the original clone. So I don't know if there is a way. Maybe somebody else will watch this and chime in on if this could be done a different way. But this would be helpful if you were working on something. Let's just take this away and you're on page 1, so you could convert it to a curve and maybe add a node right there and make it off, and then go to page 2 and it would be the identical thing. It might be a way. I still don't see the exact same reason, but maybe together we'll figure it out. Anyway, so that cloned more than one page. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.